last long. We'll start that again. The green flag has been thrown. Go, baby boy. Go, baby, go, baby, go. Fucking. Okay. Sugar. Okay. Oh, darn it. Well, slow, yellow. Thank you. Okay. Everybody go around. We got this. Actually, I don't think there's an issue. Green flag has been thrown. Nobody do a byline light. Yes. Good job, everybody. Good job. All right, and the racing begins, and I get nervous. Good. Come on, baby girl. Baby boy. Who's this? Who's racing? Anthony is racing. Holy moly, he's staying back. He's just letting first and second go at it. Okay, let him go, buddy. Let him go. Okay, but now they're coming for you, so keep up, though. Oh, boy, this is too complicated. Oh, my God. I don't like it. Oh, they sugar faces. Okay. Green flag has been thrown. Okay, here we go. The racing's going to start. I want to fire myself from videotaping. Not because I suck, because, I just don't, I feel so lonely up here. All right, bubs. You got this. Keep up. Keep up, guys. Keep up. All right, how are we doing? Anthony's sitting in third. Keep up, bud. You gotta keep up, buddy. Keep up with them. Keep up. Go, buddy, go. How many more laps are there? Jesus. Probably like have 30 laps to go still. Another reason why I don't like being here. You gotta find another spot. There's like a secret hole and a fence somewhere. Come on, buddy. Keep up, buddy. Keep up. Oh, wait. Holy moly. Holy moly, it's lap of traffic. I don't know. I changed my mind. I don't know. Oh, brother. Oh, lap of traffic. Oh, dear. I don't like lap of traffic. Okay, come on, buddy. Come on. Go, buddy. Go. Oh, let him go, buddy, go. Buddy, you're in the middle of lap traffic. You must go now. Now. Thank you. And go one more. Sorry. Excuse me, but this really makes me nervous. Oh, yellow. Why are we ready? Uh-oh, something must be on the current track. Oh, look, it's Anthony. Anthony! Wave! Anthony! This is Anthony right there. But he's not looking at us. Anthony, wave! Wave! Oh, see, he waved to you. Okay. But now he's in front of her. The green flag has been thrown. Here we go. All right, buddy. You know what you need to do. Here we go. Go, buddy, go. Whew, one down. Okay. Holy freaking bananas. Okay, it's okay. Fudgy, suppose. No. Go again, Anthony. Go, buddy, go. Sorry, guys. It's okay. Do it again, buddy. Do it again. Or not. That's okay. Totally fine. Come on, buddy. Keep up. All right, here we go. going on behind him. Stuff going on in front of him. This is a crazy race. All right, buddy. Come on, you gotta catch up now, bud. Catch up. Okay, you got this, buddy. Come on, bud. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, this is, I think, a lapper. I think so. This next one is. So, come on, buddy. Okay, it's good. It's good. It's good. He's closing in. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Go, buddy. Go, Anthony. Go. Go. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Go, go, buddy. Go. Good. Okay. Cleared that one. Now go. Go. Catch up to Macy. Come on. Go, buddy. Go. Juggers. It's already really the one time it goes fast. Okay. I don't know where he ended up. I have no clue, but I don't know. I'm gonna go with 5th, maybe 6th, 7th? I don't know, something like that. Okay, that was one hell of a race. Okay, I'm done, and I'm gonna calm the F down now. I think this is enough time, enough buffer time. Oh, God. Okay.